Hi, it's Darnell with Way of Living Recipes, and today I'm going to be cooking up some grilled chicken nuggets in the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. So if you want to see some grilled chicken nuggets done in that Power Air Fryer Oven Elite, now's the time, and we're going to get started now. Alright, so I've got some boneless, skinless chicken breasts. This is 2 of them. I've just cut them into strips. And what I'm going to do now is cut them down into nugget size form. Then I'm going to put some extra virgin olive oil on them and some mixed Mrs. Dash chicken grilling blend. No other spices, that's solo. So just going to get these cut from strip form down into a more nugget size form. Alright, so everything is in about a good nugget size. Now I'm going to get oil and spices on here. Alright, we got things all oiled and seasoned up. Now I'm going to get things on crisper tray. We may only need 1 crisper tray, we've got them cut down so well. But we'll see if we need 2. I think for some good even air distribution, we're going to have to use 2 crisper trays. So just going to take that one, throw it up top, and get this other crisper tray. Put the rest on it. Just give some spacing for a little improved airflow. Alright, now we got them all nicely spaced. Get this crisper tray up in there on the middle rack of the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. So now I'm going to close up my Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. I'm going to hit the power button, French fry button, which is 400 degrees Fahrenheit, go up to 20 minutes. I'm going to let these run for 10, then swap the trays. So I'll bring you back in 10. Alright, 10 minutes have passed, so going to do some swapping. Just going to drop the ones that were in the middle to the bottom. So I can drop the ones that are up top down to the middle. Now I'm going to take the ones that I moved down bottom, kind of hitting the ones that are in the middle a little bit. Let me take care of that. Get those up top. Oh, it looks like I lost one on the way. Hold on a second. Doing that swapping, I knocked one off. Alright. Alright, we'll let that continue for the last 10 minutes and then I'll bring you on back and we'll do some testing. Alright, that 20 minutes cooking time is up now. I'll go ahead and open up, start temperature testing right away. These are small, so you gotta try and get them tested quick. So I'm testing them right off the iGrill 2 unit here, and we're up to 148, 156, 162. Yep, that's done. So just going to move that one over here, get these others out, try and get a probe in a piece. That looks like it might be a larger piece because those larger pieces are going to take longer to cook. Now this one is starting to get red. 158, 159, 62, and 65. We're done. So 20 minutes, 10 in a swap, and then another 10, and it's all good. Let me get this closed up here. Guess I'll just take one from each, one from the top row and one from the bottom row. Well, that's where they ended up, on the bottom. They started out on top, so these started out on top, these started out on bottom. But let me get the camera swap. We'll do a taste test. All right, our grilled chicken nuggets from the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. These were on top last, so gonna taste this one first. Very good. I'm going to taste this one. Okay, the one that was on the bottom last, so juicy because it was catching all the juices from the one on top. It was just like a burst of juice biting into that. But they're both very good. The ones that were on top last, they were also very good. So you want some grilled chicken nuggets, don't go to Chick-fil-A. Hook them up yourself like this. Straight from the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. So basically this and other instructions in written form that you can print off are at superwaveovenrecipes.com. Direct access to this YouTube channel is available through going to waveovenrecipes.com. I'm on Twitter at waveovenrecipes. Instagram, there'll be photos at waveovenrecipes. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share the video with a friend. Subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments, and good eating.